If you want more leads, a good lead magnet could be the key to your success. Today, we'll explain how to create a lead magnet that brings you more leads. If you're unfamiliar, a lead magnet is quite simple. It's designed to incentivize users to hand over their details. Common magnets include online retailers who offer a discount or exclusive offers on your first order by signing up to a newsletter, or maybe a guide to something related to the subject matter, such as maybe a photography tutorial in exchange for a name and email. They can come in the form of anything that incentivizes information or a purchase, but not all lead magnets are created equal. Effective lead magnets are highly targeted to the desires of your audience, so when they see your magnet, they want it and hand over their information for it. And that is when you've secured a new lead. And creating them is quite simple. Once you've researched a magnet that attracts the audience that you're targeting with this marketing content, draft up the content. For this demonstration in our preferred marketing platform, Mautic, we'll be an authorized supplier of quality headphones, starting a sale with an exclusive 15% discount when clicking through an email campaign. You can also A/B test multiple magnets to see which one gives you the best results. Then send out and monitor the results as people click through to purchase or register interest so that you can then remarket your products at a later time to seal the deal. Similarly, if you have white papers or guides to offer to incentivize newsletter signups, this can all be done through your website. Marketing sign-up extensions present a pop-up offer to readers as they scroll through, where you present your magnet to them. Mautic can create these website pop-ups too, with the added benefit that you can customize them any which way you like. Sell the value of the magnet, and they're more likely to give you their details to begin nurturing them into a sale. This even works on social media from a user or company perspective. If you're a user, you can tailor content to draw in potential customers for the product, and give calls to action to use your referral link that includes an exclusive discount or first-time buyer offer where you'll then receive a bonus if the viewer makes a purchase. Companies can market magnets to incentivize sign-ups similar to the website pop-up method. A lead magnet gives your target audience a reason to give you their information. If you want more leads to your business, research what they want, why they want it, and the best way to deliver it to them. And if you want a platform that can deliver these for you, we featured Mautic in this video, which you can find out more about by clicking up here. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourselves.